Oh.
You can't see the color. Ho ho ho, this V10's about to explode. Merry Christmas. We're at the Christmas BMW Special here. What the? One sec. So today we're doing a big Christmas haul in the M5 E60. We gotta do some Christmas shopping. Gotta take you guys along with me. Is there some stuff for the car coming? Let's see. We've been waiting on those wheels for a long time, so you never know. And we got a big surprise. You guys are gonna meet my friend Ethan, roommate of mine back from university. He's gonna come help us today. You never know what you're gonna get with him, so this should be interesting. Oh, he's ready. He's ready. Damn. Don't you just love the holidays? What do you think of huge car guy, obviously?
Yeah, big car guy. Almost as big as my dad. My dad's a big car guy. Just sold his boss. Anyways.
He sold it?
Yeah, he sold it. Even though it was like way newer than this car. We're just in the M5, V10, E60.
Thoughts on this car?
Honestly,
where am I going?
I'm not a betting man, but I would think it would have gone up in value.
Yeah. You were watching the vlogs, eh?
Yeah, you know, everyone is. Yeah, so why are we going north?
I asked you where to go and...
How do you not know north and south? You live here too. Just like...
Hang on.
He's like, you didn't say...
Hang on!
Yeah, Ripper Yui.
Okay, check this shit out.
Watch this. Rip a quick Yui. Oh, buddy's gonna do it. Ooh! The seat grips you. It's sick. Anyway.
It's a Land Rover Defender, you're right.
Yeah, I thought this guy was the car guy. Anyways. Hey, Spidey!
Just like, I'm sticking out. Hold on.
Never mind, not first try. Second try. There you go. There you go.
Oh, that's actually sick. You look sick, dude.
Thanks.
This thing is clean. Wow, dude.
Don't you just love the holidays?
So we've been shopping for like an hour, and this is the one thing this guy's found. You look good, bud.
It's not the real Santa.
This looks insane. What is this?
After you, I'm a gentleman.
Thanks. Buy one.
Which one do you want me to win for you, babe?
The Fugly Duckling. These look like the Monsters Inc. guys.
Do you want to play?
Do they have difficulty levels? You do this. You'll get there.
Cute dog. You should get this one for your dad.
This one looks just like him.
That's Chris's dad. Look at the difficulty level, 10 stars. Look at that. Cute dog.
Difficulty level 1. You think that? No. That one. All right, we're done. We're out of here. Let's go.
Sick.
Let's leave. Little gift haul.
Little gift haul here.
Get in front of the car.
Gift haul from the shopping mall. It's your bag.
Okay. Hopefully Dad doesn't watch this vlog before Christmas, but we got him a nice little jacket.
Yep, I tried it on.
And then got myself this little this sick little tee.
Oh.
You can't see the color, but it's like turquoise-ish.
You can see the color.
Okay.
Got my stepmom some Lululemon mittens.
Wow.
I got myself a red flannel.
There you go. Keeping it folded. We love to see it.
Keeping it folded. Not gonna unfold it for you. 2 tees, Uniqlo graphic ones. This one right here. It's a little like cherry blossom scene.
Nice.
Tokyo or something.
Nice. And then another
This
one.
one here, gonna leave it folded for you, but it's got a little mountain, could be Mount Fuji. You got some competition.
Guys, just wanted to say, I know this is kind of the holiday special video, so we're approaching the end of the year. Thank you for sticking with me, whether it's this year, in previous years, the whole time we've been doing this. This year has been absolutely insane for Apparel by Enemy, my car culture clothing brand, for this channel, for TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, kind of everything. The car itself, it's one of the best years we've had with the car, and I couldn't be more thankful for that. Kind of a cool little thing I wanted to show you guys. Again, this is never the reason I started this channel, but because of you, this is going to happen, and so I have to thank you personally. Each and every one of you guys that's subscribed, that's watched my videos since the start. This is because of you. Check this out. We are pretty much 16 hours away from hitting monetization on the channel, which is insane to me. I didn't think I would get there. It's been such a long grind. Again, never the purpose for starting this channel, but the fact that we've gotten there through you guys and through you guys enjoying the videos is absolutely huge to me. So thank you so much for that. Really, really appreciate it. Really cool. We're basically on track to hit it right around Christmas. So it's a nice little Christmas gift that I see you guys giving to me. So thank you for that. With that being said, thank you for the continuous support. I hope you guys all have an awesome holiday. I'm going to show you some highlights back from this year at the end of this video. So stick around for that if you want to check it out. And just know I always appreciate you. If you want to keep up with the car, we got lots coming. Again, those wheels should be on the way here any day now. Tons of mods planned for the spring. We got some fun winter ideas coming for the M5 too. So lots of stuff to watch. Please leave a sub, please leave a like. And with that, guys, thank you so much. Let's check out some flashbacks from this year, all the fun times we've had with this car. Today I don't need to unwrap this car.
Whip that shit, don't stop till I lock that. Heard as a mash on someone caught that. Verbal abuse is long, I'd stop that. Back up and mash on drop
The Sprint Booster V3.
I haven't read the instructions yet.
that.
So to me?
Yeah.
Automotive. Maintenance wise? There she is, boys. Thanks, buddy. You guys are the best. Thank you, thank you. Perfect. We'll put subtitles down for everything. Fuck. But here is the new Porsche coming to the channel. Ambulance, we're good. I found them in my, this is a real tight, real sturdy, yeah.
Just go, maybe park like straight ahead where it says no parking or something.
More gym videos, any kind of gym videos, lifestyle videos, anything like that. So lots of new content coming there. Let me know, and I appreciate you guys so much. As always, my name's Chris. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.